Inheritance is one of the key features of object-oriented programming. Inheritance provides mechanisms that allow a class to inherit property of another class. When a class extends another class, it inherits all non-private members, including fields and methods. Inheritance in Java can be best understood in terms of parent and child relationship. Also known as superclass, parent, and subclass, child in Java language. Inheritance defines a relationship between superclass and and its subclass. Extends and implements keyword are used to describe inheritance in Java. Purpose of inheritance. It, it promotes the code reusability, the share method are variables which are defined in a parent or super or base class. Can be used in the child or sub or derived class. It promotes polymorphism by allowing method overriding syntax. Class derive class name extends base class name.